Now I come to something which is known as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers whose decimal representation is neither terminating nor reoccurring. That means it just keeps going without any pattern. Examples can be pi, root 2, root 5 plus root 7 and things like that. They will be all irrational numbers. In our childhood we studied that pi is equal to 22 by 7. But if you look at 22 by 7, it is a p by q form where p and q belong to a set of integers, q is not equal to 0. And I just now told you that if there is anything which is p by q form where p and q belong to a set of integers and q is not equal to 0, it will by default either get converted into a repeating decimal or a terminating decimal. And we said irrational number is a number whose decimal representation is neither terminating nor repeating. So how can they be equal? Answer is pi is not equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is an approximate value of pi for easification of calculation. You getting what I am saying? Pi is an irrational number and 22 by 7 is a rational number. They cannot be equal. Just for our easification of calculation, we use pi as 22 by 7. I hope it's clear. So anything which is terminating or reoccurring is rational, and any p by q form will always either result in terminating or reoccurring, nothing else. So if these two things are very clear, can you tell me 22 by 7 will be a terminating decimal or a reoccurring decimal?
Reoccurring.
Why? What's the logic?
Because it is not a power of 2.
What's not a power of 2?
Like it is
27 by 3 also does not have a power of 2.
but because 22 is not a power of a multiple of 7. Because of that.
But where does 7 come from? Anything. My issue is any fraction which I give you, how will you identify whether that fraction will result in a terminating decimal or a reoccurring decimal?
If the number is repeating itself, then it is a reoccurring decimal.
That's correct. That is how it looks like. That is why its name comes from. I am asking a fraction, any fraction given to you. Let us say I give you a fraction 359 divided by 27. Will it be a terminating decimal or a reoccurring decimal? That is what is my question. How do you identify? Let's understand. Convert the fraction in its lowest form. This is the first step you will do. In this particular case, lowest form, anyways it becomes a terminating decimal. After converting the fraction in the lowest form, second thing which you need to see is if denominator contains only factors of 2 or 5 or mixed factors of 2 and 5, the fraction will result in terminating decimal. If there is anything except 2 or 5 or a mixture of 2 and 5, it has to be a repeating decimal. फंडा क्या है इसका? जब भी आप कोई डिवीजन करते हो समवेयर डाउन द लाइन नीचे 0 आ जाता है, जब आप ऊपर डेसिमल डालते हो उसके बाद नीचे 0 आ जाता है। 0 मींस 10। 10 को दो ही नंबर है जो कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करते हैं, 2 and 5। 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 रिपीट चालू हो गया। 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 रिपीट चालू हो गया। अगर मैं 4 बोलूं तो 4 इज नथिंग बट 2 2s, इट इज 2 2s। 8 बोलूं तो इट इज 3 2s। 16 बोलूं तो इट इज 4 2s। सो 2s अगर होंगे, यहां 5s होंगे मींस 5, 25, 125, कोई भी नंबर इनसे डिवाइड करो वो अल्टीमेटली टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल पे पहुंच ही जाएगा, टर्मिनेट हो ही जाएगा। लेकिन जैसे ही डिनोमिनेटर में 3, 7, 11, 13 ऐसा कुछ आया, क्या होगा? इट हैज टू रिपीट, देयर इज नो सेकंड चॉइस। सो 22 by 7 we are talking about has to be repeating the decimal. I hope it's very clear. Absolutely everyone